I was reading some Tony Robbins, right? And he had 8 steps to controlling your destiny. He said you gotta accept reality, question your beliefs, let go of the past, explore your relationships, reveal your driving force, face your fears, design your life, and reset your focus. I was like, that's good. But he left out freelancing. Let's talk about freelancing, man. Check it out. What is good? What is good? What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? I am V. I'm your host for today, and today we're gonna talk about freelance. We're gonna talk about how to get freelance jobs. Now, let's just talk about freelancing in the first place, right? Freelancing is cool. Like, you get to control your own destiny with freelancing. I mean, I don't have to go into a place to work. I don't have to settle for the salary or this hourly wage that they're giving me. I mean, freelancing is very liberating, but it's also very hard. Not very hard, but you gotta put some work in. It's not just sitting back and just things just happen. That's not how that works. Now, I already told y'all about what graphic design is, how long it takes to be a graphic designer, how much graphic designers make, should you go to school or should you be self-taught, the job market of graphic designers, the types of graphic design jobs you can get, the different positions in graphic design. Told y'all about corporate versus freelance. I done touched on a lot, pretty much. And so now I'm gonna talk about freelance in particular. Now, the first thing that you need to do, obviously, is make you a portfolio. So once you make this portfolio, you reach out to your family and friends, you tell everybody about it, and you let everybody know that you that person. Like, you the go-to person if they need any type of design. Like, if you need a birthday cake and you need somebody to make this design for the birthday cake, I'm the person that you come see. Whether I do the design or not, you need to talk to me so I can tell you whether it's good or not. You know what I'm saying? If you need a flyer, a logo, or something like that, I'm the person that you need to come see. You need to make yourself the go-to guy for whatever type of design you do, and people need to know that you're the expert in that field. So that's step number 1 and 2, kind of, right? You know what I'm saying? You made your portfolio and you're talking to people about it. So now, next thing you need to do is prepare yourself as a business person. What this means is you need to get you some business cards. You need to make yourself a logo, so that when people see this, they know it's you. You need to make these business cards and keep them with you at all times, because you never know when you might have to strike up a conversation, because as a freelancer, it's your business to get business all the time. That's your business. So you get these business cards, put them in your wallet, put them in your pocket, keep some in the car, give your girl some, give your guy some, give your kids some. Everybody needs to have some of your business cards, because it's your business to get business, right? So that's another part of getting freelance jobs. Promoting yourself through other people and yourself at all times. Now, after that, you need to start talking to people that you know that own businesses. You need to not necessarily like harass them or spam them with your services, but bring it up in the conversation. I've learned how to bring up graphic design in any conversation that exists almost. Like, I bring it up to everybody. I'm at the zoo and I'm like, yeah, that's a nice tiger. You know what? I should make a logo with that tiger's face on it. And I'm just talking to a regular person. I don't know if that person needs a logo or not, but that person now knows that I make logos. You know what I'm saying? So you need to be able to strike up your talent, your skill set in any type of conversation. And that's part of selling yourself. And that's also part of getting business, because now that I just told this person I need to make a logo, that person say, oh, you make logos? Yeah, here's my business card that I just told y'all to make. You know what I'm saying? That's how that works. You go to these small shops too, these local stores, and you ask them, do you need any type of graphic design? Or you tell them what you think they need. I walked into a beauty supply store the other day and was like, hey, I see you guys don't have anything like flyers out there. You need somebody to make a flyer? I do that. And they like, oh, no, we don't. We got somebody already, but give me your card. We keep you in mind, right?
It's morphin' time!
Business card, bam, you know what I'm saying? So you need to have business cards, and you need to talk to everybody that you can possibly talk to about possibly doing business with them because they need to know that this is what you do. All right, now we passed that step. Now you need to do this online as well. On your social media, not only should you post what you've been posting, you should also post that you have these services available. Or make a whole separate profile just for your business so you can promote that on people's page and it looks more professional. But in the beginning, doesn't matter. Put it on your page, see what happens, you know? Comment on people's posts. You know, a lot of times people on social media are looking for graphic design. Facebook, for instance, you can go in there and search looking for graphic design. And you're gonna get a lot of search. I need a logo designer. I need a flyer design. I need a, and you put your name in the hat. This is how you get these freelance jobs. I mean, I can't tell you how much they're gonna pay because it depends on what you're willing to take and what they're willing to offer, but the jobs are there for you to try to attain. You see what I'm saying? So that's another way to get freelance jobs. Now, the last way that I'm not really too fond of is like Fiverr. I don't like Fiverr because I think those designers on Fiverr undercut. You know, they do logos for $5 and there's no way, there's no way I'm doing a logo for $5. I don't care if I just started. I don't care if I started tomorrow, like in the future sometime. No time in my life will I do a logo for $5. That's just me. But some people do, some people feel like it's quantity over quality, right? So they feel like if I do 50 logos for $5, I just made $250. And the logos were pretty simple to do. They was templates basically. I'm not that guy, you know. I don't believe in that. So, I mean, but it's up to you. But you got other websites like Thumbtack and Upwork where you can also go see who's hiring for these type of, for whatever type of graphic design that you do. Craigslist too. Forgot about that one. Craigslist is also a good place to find jobs. People will hire, people looking for freelancers. They looking for, sometimes they're looking for people to come aboard, like on a, not a permanent basis, but like a temporary, monthly or week to week, or they have a reoccurring service that they need. So, you know, Craigslist is a good one. Those are my top ways to start freelancing. Social media, promoting yourself through word of mouth, local businesses, marketing, make you some flyers, put them in, I put my flyers in gas stations, you know? Everybody goes to the gas station, they go to the counter, they see what's on the counter. Might just need graphic design, who knows, you know? But I can make 500 flyers for like $75. And so that's just me spreading my service around. So that's another way that you could do things. Make sure your website is on point though. Make sure your portfolio is decent, because you don't want somebody to actually want your services and you don't have a website. That's pretty bad business, and it's like making yourself look bad in the process. So get your website together. Put that website up and market yourself to any and everybody. That's my advice on how to get freelance jobs. That's the topic for today. Hope you learned something. Hope I had some good insight for you. If you got any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section. If you want to talk to me one-on-one, hit me up on the inbox. I mean, I'm on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, you know what I'm saying? Well, however you communicate, hit me up, man. Clay Visions Designs. That's it. See y'all later. I am V. Peace.